Hi, what I've got here is a speaker cabinet, and I'm going to show you how to make an exploded drawing of this speaker cabinet so that it'll look something like this. You want to be able to see all of the pieces and how they go together. So to start with, I need to create components from my bodies. So I'm going to right click on the word bodies right here, and I'm going to create components from bodies. You have to do this, and generally when people don't do it, that's when they run into problems. You can see now that all of these bodies, the word bodies has gone away, and the components are right here. You can see though that there's actually bodies in here. In fact, if I turn off some of these bodies, you'll see that parts of this will go away and come back when I turn on and off the bodies. Okay, my next step is to go up here and I'm going to create an animation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the transform components tool. So I click on that and I'm going to select the body that I want to transform or the component that I want to transform. And literally I'm just going to pull this up. And then I'm going to grab the next one and I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to grab the next one. I'm going to pull this one apart. And then I'll start to maybe move some of these ones down. I want to spread them out so we can see how this is put together. And it should go in the order of construction. So you need to make sure that you're arranging it so that it looks like how it would come apart or go together. You can see I need to actually spread these out just a little bit more. So I'm gonna, and notice that I'm using the arrows to do this. That's important. It's much easier to move these in a regular way using the arrows rather than the dot or the little planes on there. Okay, I now have my exploded drawing, and that's all there is to it. The next little step is that I'm going to click OK, and I need to create a drawing from this animation. I'm going to click OK. And then I can put this here. It's awfully big, so I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So I'm going to make this 1 to 3, maybe even 1 to 4. There we go. That looks better. And I'm going to use shaded here. And I'm going to click OK. And then I can just move this wherever I want it. And there we go. That's how you can make an exploded drawing. Thank you for watching.